Crypto ETFs are multiplying, and Trump Media just dropped a bold new one into the mix. Trump Media and Technology Group, the same company behind Truth Social, just filed to launch the Truth Social Crypto Blue Chip ETF. What sets this one apart? It's not just Bitcoin and Ether. This ETF will hold a basket of top cryptocurrencies: 70% Bitcoin, 15%, Ether 8%, Solana 5%, Cronos, and 2% XRP. The plan is for this fund to trade on the New York Stock Exchange's ARCA platform, giving investors exposure to a wider slice of the crypto world all in one share. This isn't their first crypto rodeo either. Just last month, Trump Media filed for two other ETFs, one that's mostly Bitcoin with a little Ether, and another that's pure Bitcoin. So 3 crypto ETFs, each with its own twist, all planned for later this year. There's big money behind these moves. Back in May, Trump Media announced plans to raise $2.5 billion to buy Bitcoin, and they're teaming up with Crypto.com to make these ETFs happen. What's the market saying? Bitcoin is just under $109,000, Ether above $2,600, Solana around $151, Cronos at 10 cents, and XRP at $2.30. Meanwhile, Trump Media's stock jumped 3% on the news, but is still down over 40% this year. So, will the Truth Social Crypto Blue Chip ETF become the new favorite for crypto investors? Or is it just another headline? Hit follow for more updates and let us know what you think in the comments.